All right, hey everybody, here's Ben, and this is our very first episode of our, what are we calling this project, Ben?
Okay.
How our plant what type of project?
LED project.
Our plant LED project. So this is the very first, we just started. So we're struggling tonight. Ben and I had used the Arduino before. This is that microcontroller board there that basically lets you download programs to it from a computer and then run it without a computer, and you have like experiments you can do with all sorts of different sensors and things. But Ben is trying to do a school project where he's going to grow a plant, and he had already come up with the idea at school to use what type of lights, Ben?
LEDs.
So why LEDs?
Because it gives off heat and light.
And what type of plant are you going to grow?
A lime tree.
A lime tree. Okay, so then he remembered that we did an experiment before, Ben and I, with this Arduino board and some LEDs. I can't remember where it is now, but anyways, there's a whole bunch of lights, and he knew that I had a bunch of red and green different lights. And he had found out that what type of lights are best for growing plants?
Red and blue.
Red and blue, okay. So I don't know why that is, but he probably does, and we might explain that in later episodes. But right now what we've done is we've sketched up, well, first of all, we actually had to figure out again how to hook up the Arduino board because we both kind of forgot. But we hooked it up and we got some LEDs going, and Ben wrote a program, you can't see it probably on the screen, to just turn on and off two different light sets. You can see there's two patterns there. One's blinking faster than the other. And then we started to sketch up sort of an idea, and Ben's going to explain what our concept is for our project, of what we're going to do.
So on this, I want to do, so there's different, this is my dad's idea, which he wanted to do just ideas about, like, the system of each board. He wanted to test them out with different colors and see how they would work in different light. My idea, I wanted to do green and red because they give off the most light and that we have, and they will test which one's better, and if it works on different times of the day when it's sunny, then if green works best at 12 to say 2, then we'll use green for that. And if red, since red's gives off more heat, we'll use that at night.
Now, how are you going to tell how much light's out there, whether it's night or not?
We'll get this sensor.
And what's that? That's what type of sensor is that?
A light sensor. It tells how much light and what the heat is.
I don't know if that one does heat, actually, Ben. I think it just does light levels.
Yeah, light levels.
And I'm also not sure. We got to read up how much heat LEDs give off. I think it's more of the spectrum of light, but we can read up on Wikipedia on sort of that stuff is. But that's cool. So that in your hand there is detects the level of light, and that's cool that you had that idea to know how much light there is to basically turn on and off. I came up with that circle pattern, by the way, but Ben might improve on that. Okay, well that's cool. And then the different times. And I see maybe there's other things there that we've written down. Okay, I think this is good though, Ben. So that's our first sort of take at this. That's day 1. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. All right, say bye, Ben.
Bye.
Good night.